Now we will learn how to find out first complement and second complement of binary number. First complement and second complement of binary number. We cannot find out first and second complement of any other number like octal, decimal, hexadecimal, because only binary numbers are having base 2. First we will see how to find out first complement. For that we will take one example. Convert 110101 in first complement. Form. Such a type of question they may ask in first part A, for 2 marks, that convert this binary number into its first complement form. Procedure is very simple. Take down that number 110101. Just convert each and every bit to its reverse. For example, if you have bit 1, it will convert to 0. Here 1 will convert to 0. Here 0 will convert to 1. 1 will convert to 0. 0 will convert to 1. Therefore, first complement of this number is equal to 001 0 1 0. This is the answer. First complement of this binary number is 001 0 1 0. One more example we will take. Binary number, given binary number is 010111. If we want to convert this binary number into first complement, take down that number and just reverse each and every bit. 0 will convert to 1, 1 will 0, 0 will 1, 1 will 0, 1 will 0, 1 will 0. Answer is 101000. This is first complement of given binary number. Now we will learn how to find out 2's complement. 1's complement and 2's complement, or first and second complement. 1's and 2's. For example, find out 2's complement of given binary number 110101. This is binary number and we have to find out 2's complement. What is the procedure? To find out 2's complement, first we have to find out 1's complement and we have to add number 1 to 1's complement of given binary number. How to find out 1's complement? 1's complement is, number is 110101. 1's complement is 001010. 1 will be 0, 1 will be 0, 0 will be 1, 100110. This is first complement. What we want? 2's complement. 2's complement is add 1 to the first complement. Therefore, we are adding 1 to the first complement or 1's complement. If we add this, we know the rules for addition of binary numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is second or 2's complement of given binary number. Once again I will explain. We will take one more example. Given binary number is 10101100. We have to find out 2's complement. To find out 2's complement, first we have to find out 1's complement. 1's complement is 01010011. This is 1's complement. Add 1 to the 1's complement. You will get 2's complement. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 2's complement. This is the procedure to find out 1's complement and 2's complement. Hello students, in this class we will learn about Gray code. Now we have seen decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. They are called as a weighted number system. Why they are called as a weighted? Because each and every bit is having their own weight with respect to the position. There are some unweighted number systems, and one of the unweighted number system is Gray code. Therefore, Gray code is unweighted code or unweighted number system. Gray code is also known as reflected binary code. Second name is reflected binary code or RBC. Again, it is also called as unit distance code. Why it is called as unit distance code? I will explain later. It is again called as a minimum error code. Why it is called minimum error? That also I will explain in next class. Now, what is Gray code? Gray code is unweighted code or unweighted number system. It is also called as a RBC, unit distance code and minimum error code. Next point is, it is called Gray after Frank Gray. Frank Gray is the scientist who has invented this number system. Therefore, after this Frank Gray, we are calling this number system as a Gray code number system. Two successive values differ in only one bit. Don't forget this. This I will explain in next concept. Two successive values means like 5, 6, 8, 9, 1, 2. Two successive numbers are differed in only one bit. How it is I will explain. Binary number is converted into Gray to reduce switching output. Why it is invented? Why the scientist Frank Gray has invented Gray code? To reduce switching of output. In binary number system, if we are calculating something, arithmetic calculation, output will switch more times from 0 to 1, 1 to 0. To reduce this switching, we are using Gray code. In Gray code, number of switching from 0 to 1, 1 to 0 is very less. Therefore, Gray code is used in calculation. This is Gray code. Now, I have drawn here table for binary numbers and Gray numbers. 3 columns are there: decimal number, binary number, equivalent binary number, equivalent Gray number. You can take any number because it is decimal. Decimal means any number you can take, but from 0 to 6 I have taken. This table I will show you. Why it is called unit distance code? Because if you take any two successive numbers, I will take here 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are two successive numbers. Here in binary, 3 is represented with 0, 0, 1, 1 and 4 is represented by 0, 1, 0, 0. How many times switching is there? Here 1 is switches to 0, first switching. 1 is switched to 0, second switching. 0 is switched to 1, third switching. And 0 is as it is, means 3 times your bits are switching in binary. To convert 3 to 4 means two successive numbers are differ in 3 switchings. Same numbers if we take in Gray code. Here 0 is as it is, 1 is as it is, 0 switch to 1, first switching, and 0 is as it is, means only one switching is there. Therefore, two successive numbers are deferred in only one bit. Only one bit is changed, 0 to 1. We will take next two numbers, 5 and 6. In binary, this 1 is switched to 0, first switching, 0 is switched to 1, second switching, 1 is switched to, 1 is remain as it is, 0 is remain as it is. Means two switchings are there, two switchings are there. In grey code, if we take same numbers, 1 is as it is, 1 is as it is, 0 is as it is. Only one switching is there, 1 to 0. Means this point I had told in previous concept that two successive numbers are deferred in only one bit. Once again I will tell you, if we take these two numbers 1 and 2, here 1 is switched to 0, 0 is switched to 1. Two switches are there. Here 1 as it is, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. But 0 is switched to 1. Only one switching is there. Therefore, it is called as a unit distance code, and again it is used because only one switching is there. Instead of binary, grey code is useful because only one switching is there in output. Therefore, that scientist has invented this grey code. Understood? You can take any number from this. Binary numbers can be converted into grey code. Now we have seen table from 0 to 6, decimal number, binary number and grey number. You can take any number as a grey number which is binary, in the form of binary. Then how to convert any binary number into its grey equivalent? There is algorithm of 3 steps. In this algorithm, first step is record the MSB as it is. What is MSB? Most significant bit. There are two concepts, MSB and LSB. MSB is most significant bit and LSB is least significant bit. To explain this, I will take one example. Convert 101011 to grey. Its grey equivalent. Take down that number 101011. What is the first step? Record the MSB as it is. Here this bit is called as a MSB and this bit is called as a LSB. Most significant bit, least significant bit. What is the first step? Record the MSB as it is. Therefore, take 1 as it is. MSB will be the same in binary and grey. Next is add MSB to next bit. This MSB we have to add in next bit. Next bit is 0. This 1 we have to add in 0. 0 plus 1, 1. And what is next? Ignore carry. If carry is there, don't take that carry. Ignore that carry. In this example, carry is not there. Therefore, 0 plus 1 is 1. Third step is repeat the procedure. Means again, this 0 will come here. Add 1 plus 0 means 1. Again repeat the procedure. This will come here. 0 plus 1, 1. Again repeat the procedure. This 0 will come here. And this 1 will come here. 1 plus 1. Binary addition. Answer will be 0. Carry will be 1. But what we have to do? Ignore the carry. Therefore, we will not take the carry. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. One more example we will take. One zero one one. Given example is 1011. We have to convert into grey. First step is take MSB as it is. Second step is add this MSB in adjacent bit. 0 is adjacent. 0 plus 1 is 1. Repeat the procedure. This 0 will come here. 1 plus 0 is 1. Repeat the procedure. This 1 will come here. 1 plus 1 is 0. Ignore carry. We have carry, but we have to ignore. Therefore, what is the answer? 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the gray equivalent of 1, 0, 1, 1. One more example I will show you. 0, 0, 1, 0. We have to convert this binary number into its gray equivalent. Given number is 0, 0, 1, 0. Take this MSB as it is. Then add this MSB to the next bit. 0 plus 0, 0. Repeat the procedure. This 0 will come here. 0 plus 1 is 1. And this 1 will come here. 0 plus 1 is 1. What is the answer? 0, 0, 1, 1. This is gray equivalent of binary number 0, 0, 1, 0. I hope you understood how to convert binary number to its gray equivalent. Now we will learn how to convert any gray number to its binary equivalent. Procedure is same, only one difference is there. Again here to convert gray to binary, one algorithm is there of 3 steps. First step is record the MSB as it is. It is same as previous one. To explain this, we will take one example. Example is 1110. This gray code number we have to convert into binary equivalent. Given number is 1110. First step is record the MSB as it is. This is MSB. I will take as it is. Second step is add answer to the next bit. In previous one, we were taking MSB and adding to the next bit. Here, we have to take answer and add to next bit. Therefore, this answer will come here. Adjacent or next bit is 1 and we are adding the answer in adjacent bit. 1 plus 1, 0 and ignore carry. We will not take carry. Again this 0 will come here. 1 plus 0, 1. Again this 1 will come here. 0 plus 1, 1. What is the answer? 1, 0, 1, 1. This is binary equivalent of gray number 1, 1, 1, 0. Once again I will explain you with next example. I will take next number. This is binary number and we have to convert, gray number we have to convert in binary. Take down the number 110, 111. Record MSB as it is, as an answer. Add this answer to adjacent bit. Therefore, this one will come here. 1 plus 1 is 0. Ignore carry. Carry 1 will be there, we will ignore. Take this 0 here. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Therefore, answer is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is binary equivalent of gray number 110, 111. One more example we will take, means you will understood clearly. This gray number we will convert into its gray binary equivalent. Take down that number 0111. Record MSB as it is. Take that answer and add to adjacent bit. 1 plus 0, 1. This 1 will come here. 1 plus 1, 0. This 0 will come here. 1 plus 0, 1. Therefore, what will be the answer? 0 1 0 1. This is binary equivalent of gray number 0 1 1 1. This is the procedure to convert from gray to its binary equivalent. What we have seen, what is gray code, how that table will be, and how to convert binary to gray and gray to binary equivalent. The question they may ask that write a note on gray code. Those points you have to write. How many names are there for gray code? Total 3 to 4 names are there. Who has invented? It is unweighted number system. Why it is called unit distance code, and why it is invented? To reduce the switching in output. These are points you have to write, and in conversion for 2 marks they may ask. Algorithm you have to write, after that solve the example. Now we will learn what is BCD code. BCD code. BCD means binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. These are decimal numbers only, but in the form of binary. They are again called as a 8421 code. Why it is called as a 8421 code? Because they are weighted number system. They are of type weighted number system, and this BCD code is in the form of 4 bit, and each bit is having weight 8421. Like this, they are in the form of 4 bit. This bit will be having weight 2 raised to 0. This bit will be having weight 2 raised to 1. This bit will be having weight 2 raised to 2, and this 2 raised to 3. Therefore, weight of this bit is 1. This bit is 2. This bit is 4. This bit is 8. Therefore, this number system is called as a weighted number system. If you represent any decimal number in the form of 4 bit, in the form of binary, that number is called as a BCD coded number. Now we will see first what is a decimal number system. In decimal number system, radix or base, which is represented by small r is equal to 10. Therefore, this number system will contain digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And again, combinations of these numbers. Even 45 is decimal number. Decimal number with decimal digits 4 and 5. 100 is also decimal number. Decimal number with decimal digits 1, 0, 0. 72 is a decimal number. The decimal number with decimal digits 7 and 2. This is decimal number system. Now we will see the table for binary coded decimal. These are decimal numbers. These are binary coded decimal numbers. Decimal numbers will be from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will take up to 7 only. And BCD code are in the form of 8, 4, 2, 1. Now how to get BCD code? 0. Take this first number, decimal number 0. It is exactly same as conversion from decimal to binary. 0 is addition of which numbers? No, we don't have to add anything. Therefore, everything will be 0. 0 in decimal number is represented as 0000 in binary coded decimal. Number 1. If I want to represent number 1 here, I don't have to add anything in this last digit. One number is there. Therefore write here number 1 and remaining will be 0. This is BCD of number 1. Take number 2. I don't have to add anything in this digit. It is already there. Therefore write here 1, remaining will be 0. Number 3. If I want to get number 3, which digits I have to add? This and this. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore write these two numbers as 1, remaining will be 0. Number 4. Only one place will be 1, remaining will be 0. Number 5. 4 plus 1. Therefore 2 ones will be there, remaining will be 0. Number 6. 4 plus 2. Therefore 1, 1, 0, 0. Number 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1. Therefore 3 digits will be 1, remaining 1 will be 0. Like this we can form table of decimal and binary. You can take any other number. You can take 8, 9, etc. But after 9, how to represent 8 this? 8 is there. Therefore number 7 is this. Number 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0 and number 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. After 9, which number will be there? 10. After 9, 10 will be there. 10 is not a decimal digit. In decimal number system, only 0 to 9 digits are there. 10 digit is not there. Then 10 will be treated like 1 and 0. 11 will be treated like 1 and 1. 12 will be treated like 1 and 2. 13 will be 1 and 3. Like this. This is the binary coded decimal. What we have to remember about this? This is weighted number system. This is binary coded decimal. Weights are 8421. Why it is 8421? Because it is 4-bit binary number and each bit will be having weight 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. And how to convert decimal to binary? By taking this number and addition of bits. Wherever you can add, place the 1, remaining will be 0. Now we will learn how to convert any decimal number into its BCD code. Conversion from decimal to BCD. Up to 9 we have said. We will take one example. Number 17. This is decimal number and I want to convert this into BCD. Number 17 is not there in decimal number system. It will read like 1 and 7. Therefore take down this number once again. Split that number. Write equivalent BCD code of 1 and equivalent BCD code of 7. If you see that chart, 1 will be 0, 0, 0, 1 and 7 will be 0, 1, 1, 1. The whole number combination of two digits equivalent will be BCD equivalent of, this is BCD equivalent of decimal 70. Understood? This is the method for conversion from decimal to binary. It is exactly same like conversion of decimal to binary. One more example we will take. Number 156. I want to convert this into BCD. Take down that number, separate the digit. Write equivalent BCD code of each and every digit. 1 will be 0, 0, 0, 1. 5 will be 0, 1, 0, 1. And 6 will be 0, 1, 1, 0. combine all 3 bits, you will get 0001, 0101, 0110. This is BCD equivalent of 156. One more example, last example we will take. 723. This decimal number I want to convert into BCD form. First step, take down that number, separate the digit and write equivalent BCD code. 7 is in BCD 0111, 2 is 0010 and 3 is 0011. Combine all bits, you will get 0111, 0010, 0011. This is BCD equivalent of decimal number 723. I hope you understood how to convert decimal into binary. It is exactly same procedure like conversion of decimal to binary. Now we will see reverse. Conversion from BCD to decimal. To convert number from BCD to decimal. Procedure is exactly reverse whatever we have seen now. For that we will take example. First example, 10100. This is in the form of BCD and we have to convert it into decimal. Now tell me, what is BCD? BCD means 4-bit binary number. Means each and every digit will be of 4 bit. Therefore, we will divide this number into group of 4 bits. Take down that number 10100. From this side, make a group of 4. Only one group we can form. Remaining only one digit is there. If any place is shortening, you can place here 0. 3 zeros I will place here, then I will form 2 groups. Now write equivalent decimal number of this binary group. 0001 means what? 1. And 0100 means what? 4. Therefore, equivalent decimal number is 40. 10100 in BCD is equivalent to 14 in decimal. One more example. Zero one zero 111. Take down that number 010 111. From this side, make a group of 4. 2 bits are remaining. How many bits will require? 2 bits. Therefore, write 2 zeros. We will get 2 groups. Then write equivalent decimal number of each and every group. 0001 means 1 and 0111 means what? 7. Therefore, equivalent decimal number is 70. This is equivalent decimal number of this BCD code. This is the procedure to convert any BCD number to its decimal equivalent. We have seen BCD code. Now third code we will see that XS3 code. XS3 code. It is written like XS3 or XS3. Both are same. XS3 or XS3. They are unweighted number system. They don't have any weight. They don't have weight with respect to position. Which are the weighted number system? Binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal, and which one? BCD. Gray code and XS3 code are unweighted number system. First point is unweighted number system. How to get excess 3? If we add number 3, to any BCD number, we will get excess number. Once again I will tell you, when we add number 3 to any BCD number, we will get excess or excess number. This is the procedure. Now we will form the table. First I will tell you, this is decimal number. How to get BCD from decimal, that we have seen. First we have to convert it into BCD. In BCD, if we add number 3, what we will get? Excess. Don't forget this. Decimal number, first you have to convert it into BCD. In BCD, add 3. In binary, how to write 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. If we add binary number 0, 0, 1, 1, you will get excess number. Now we will form the table. How to convert decimal or BCD to excess. I will write here decimal, BCD and excess. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 9 we have to take because of board. I have taken up to 7 only. BCD number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 7 is 1, 1, 1. These are BCD code. We have to find out which are the excess code. What is the formula? We have to add here number 3. Then we will get excess code. I want to get what is the equivalent for 0 in decimal or BCD in excess. Then I will add 0, 0, 0, 0 plus number 3 means what? 0, 0, 1, 1. This is nothing but 3. If I add here number 3 to BCD equivalent of 0, I will get excess. 1, 1, 0, 0. Therefore, equivalent is 0, 0, 1, 1. Next number is number 1. First, I have to find out what is BCD. What is BCD? 0, 0, 0, 1 plus add 0, 0, 1, 1. This is nothing but number 3, excess 3. 1 plus 1, answer is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, answer is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Therefore, this is excess equivalent of number 1. If I want to convert number 2 in decimal to excess, first I have to find out what is the BCD equivalent. BCD equivalent is 0010 plus 0011, which is nothing but number 3. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. Like this, you can find out all the values up to 7 and you can complete the table. Understood? I hope you have understood how to get excess number. First find out BCD, then add number 3, which is nothing but 0011. This is your homework. You have to complete the table. Complete this table. Now we will go to conversion. First we will convert decimal number 24 to its XS equivalent. What is the procedure? First we have to find out BCD equivalent. How to find out BCD equivalent? For that, first take down the number. Write equivalent binary number. What is binary equivalent of 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. What is binary equivalent of 4? 0, 1, 0, 0. Then what is the binary equivalent of 24? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is binary equivalent. But what we want? We want XS. Again, in this BCD, these are BCD values. In this BCD, we have to add number 3 to get XS number. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. Now if you combine these two digits, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, this is nothing but equivalent XS of number, decimal number 24. This is XS equivalent. I will tell you. First, we have to take down the number, separate the digit, write equivalent binary value, means you will get BCD value. In each and every bit, which is BCD value, add number 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then combine all bits, you will get XS. One more example we will take. Number 658, decimal number, and we have to convert in XS value. Take down the number 658, separate the digit 658. Write equivalent binary number for 658. 6 is 0110, 5 is 0101, and 8 is 1000. These are BCD values. Now add number 3. Number 3 means 0011. 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. If we combine 3 bits, we will get 1001, 1000, 1011. This is XS equivalent of 658. This is decimal number. This is XS3 equivalent. This is XS3 code. What we have seen? We have seen all number systems. After that, codes. Gray code. Gray code is unweighted. XS3 code, it is unweighted, and BCD code is weighted. Now we have completed number system. I will give you some examples for home assignment. Solve those if you have any difficulty from class first. Now later, then I will solve your problems. Thank you.